In this video, I'm going to share a recipe for a simple crock-pot rotisserie style chicken. Today I'm sharing a recipe for my sister-in-law Jay Paige. Her kiddo has many life-threatening food allergies and she deals with a lot of food intolerances herself. So she has had to learn to make simple, tasty, and allergy-friendly meals for her family. Here's her simple allergy-friendly recipe for a rotisserie style chicken in the crock-pot. Let's get started. Start with prepping the crock pot by placing 4 balls of tin foil in the bottom. This is to support the chicken and keep it off the bottom of the crock. Next, dry off the chicken, then rub it down with salt and any other safe seasonings of your choice. Place the chicken on the foil balls. When selecting a chicken for this recipe, consider the size of your crock pot and get one that will fit breast side up within it. Cover and cook for 6 to 8 hours on high. All crock pots are different, so in order to know when it's done, use a meat thermometer or just cut into it to make sure it's done. I hope you found this recipe helpful, and I am excited to share more family recipes in the future. Let me know in the comments down below if you gave it a try, and please share with us your favorite seasoning combinations.